Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time tuning in, my name is Olajumoke. I'm so glad you are here. I'm so glad. Thank you so much for tuning in today. So in today's video, actually I'm going to be doing a vlog, and that vlog will last for 3 days thereabouts. So I'm trying to start something that I've never shown you in my videos. So I want to start grooming boilers and turkey. So I think about sharing the process with you. So right now I'm in the front of the cage they are going to be staying. So I'm just here just to clean up the cage, to disinfect the cage, and see who is here. Jama is saying hi to you people. Say hi. So I want to just walk you guys through the process. If you are thinking of starting, a poultry farming, you want to start a small scale business, because this is actually a small scale business. I'm not going to be taking more than maybe 150 or 100 thereabouts, but today I'm going to be disinfecting their cage, cleaning up, setting things right, making everything looking appropriate. And by tomorrow I'm going to take you guys along to where I'm going to be getting the boilers, the turkey. So if this is what you're interested in, definitely keep on watching, and don't forget to leave a comment for me in the comment section telling me what you think about this video. And if you need any suggestion, any advice about grooming or rearing, is it grooming or rearing, I don't know, but correct me if I'm wrong in the comment section. If there's something you need to know, just feel free to ask question, and I will be glad to answer you. Okay, so for this process, I'm going to be needing rope just to tie the lantern. Dolapo, bring those lantern for me. So I'm here to clean up some lanterns. These are my previous lantern, and I cannot throw it away. I'm going to clean it up and hang it. And these are the new ones I just got. Guys, lanterns are very, very expensive now. So I cannot imagine. I got this lantern for I think 115 each, and this was gotten for 250 naira then. So I kept it, and these are the new ones. If you want to groom boilers from a day old, definitely they need it. So this is going to be an option for you, and you're going to be using rope just to tie them up, to the cage roof. So that is what I'm going to be doing now, and I'm going to be showing you the process. So see her, she wants to say hi by force by fire. So this is her. She's actually looking for a table to climb up so that you can see her. So good morning. This is about 10 a.m. in the morning. I am dressed up already. You have to look like this when you're going to the farm. You can't go to the farm all glam up. People will be looking at you. I am ready now. So yesterday, I told you I'm going to take you through the process. If you are familiar with Ibadan, you will know where Ring Road is. And Oli Estate is located in Ring Road, so we are going to be going there. That is where Obasanjo farm is. So I'm going to be taking you through the process of buying. You will know where to buy a day-old chicken, whatever weeks or breeds you want to buy. It is all available there, and there are drugs too, from their antibiotics to their multivitamin. And I'm going to be giving them vaccine after buying. So I'm going to take you through the process in case you are thinking of starting a small-scale business, like a poultry farming. This is a video you should watch. So I think I'm going to be taking like 100 and something. I think 125, 75 boilers and 51, I think 76 boilers and 51 cockerel. Then I'm going to be buying 10 turkey, and the turkey is for giveaway. Yes, I'm going to groom it for giveaway for December period, because at that period turkey should be like within 12 to 20,000. Yeah, that's a lot of money. So I need to breed it myself. It will be healthy and save like that, so that it will save me a lot of money as at that time. So yeah, if you have not subscribed to this channel already, please make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss any video I drop on this channel, and also give my videos thumbs up. It will really help my videos, it will really help my channel. Yes, that is all you can give me for now. Yeah, help your girl, help my ministry. Help this girl is begging you. Make sure you share this video. Yeah, share and share. So yeah, without further say or do, let's get going. So guys, this is the development. This is what I'm telling you about yesterday. This is how you're going to cover the space you're going to be using for grooming a day-old boiler, chicken, turkey. This is how you will cover the cage. So this is the process I am talking about. So can you see the inside? Front, back, center, side, everything is covered up. So the only thing they will be feeling is heat. They don't need air for now, so it is all they need. So I have also disinfected the house, so the house is ready for the grooming. So yeah. So guys, I got this super vitamin supplement, and I also got these antibiotics. So guys, I got glucose for them, of which I have used it immediately for them. I just mixed it with their water. So I got these antibiotics too. The other antibiotics has what it is treating, while this one too has what it is treating. Tired. I'm so tired now. I just got home. I'm feeling exhausted, walking all through Obasanjo'S farm. It's about like 5:40, 5:40, no, I think 5:30 p.m. I'm so tired. Like, so tomorrow I'm going to show you what I've done so far, the development, to give you updates, how the chicken is. So for today, bye for now. Okay, remember to subscribe, remember to thumbs up this video, remember to leave a comment for me. Let me know.
Many hours later.
Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the part of the country you are. I'm in Nigeria, and this is about 7:30 a.m. 7:30. This is about 7:30 a.m. in the morning. So yesterday I couldn't give you updates about the chicks that I got. So this morning I'm going to be like updating you. I'm going to be telling you what I got yesterday. I got 51 cockerel. Yeah, 51 cockerel. That is a crate of cockerel. I got a crate of boilers too. It is also 51, and I got the boiler for 17,500 thereabouts. Yeah, and for the cockerel, I think I got it for 10,000 naira. So if you are thinking of starting a small scale business, this is an option for you. Okay, you can start something with it. You can give it a try, and you see if it is something you can, you can cope with, you can invest on. When you want to start a poultry farming business, you cannot go there and take like 1,000, 1,000 chicks. No, you have to start, little, so that you will know maybe it's your part or not. So I got 8 turkeys for 8 weeks thereabouts. I was thinking of buying 10, but the money I have with me was exhausted, so I just have to reduce the numbers of turkey. Then I got their drugs too. So this morning about 6:30 a.m. I am in their cage already, taking care of them. If you want to groom chicks like that, you have to be upcoming. You have to be prudent with it. So you have to wake up early in the morning, and you will go to bed late. Yes, I went to bed like I think 3:30 a.m. in the morning, and by 6:30 a.m. I'm up again, just to come and see if their lantern is still on, if they still have food in their cage. These are the things you have to monitor back to back if you really want to be successful in poultry farming. So I couldn't film the areas I was taking care of them, just to show you. So yes, I got their feeders, and also I got their water. I don't know what it is called, I can't remember again. you know their their I'll call it water bottle, but it is not water bottle. Please remind me in the comment section. Let me know in the comment section. Let me know in the comment section. Okay, so I didn't buy feeders for the turkey, because I have some feeders at home, the iron feeders. So I don't want to waste money. Okay, so I just clean up the ones I have at home. So that is what I use for feeding the turkey. So let me take you through the cage. Let me show you what their cage looks like, in case you are trying to breed something. For me, this the turkey they are for giveaway by Christmas, and I think 2 of them will be going to 2 of my subscribers in Ibadan. Yeah, turkey. By then turkey will be like, if you have a female that is not that big, it should be like between 12 and 15,000. But male that I have, you'll be having like from 14,000 to 20,000 naira. Okay, so that is what you are getting. If you comment, if you are not on my Instagram page yet, I'm going to leave my handle up here or here. So let me take you through the process of the cage anyways. So as you can see, their lanterns are on. They have to be on always because they need it. So these are the feeders you're going to get for them. So that is what I'm calling their water bottle. I got 4. I got 4 for them. So right now here is all eat up. And you must make sure their food is available. Can you see, guys? This is a day old. If you want me to give you updates about them, leave a comment for me in the comment section. If you want me to show you weekly how they've grown, what treatment I'm giving them, let me know in the comment section. So this is it so far. No casualty. I'm glad. Every one of them, they are, jumping, playing around, they are. So when I got home yesterday, I mixed glucose in their water. That is the first thing I gave to them. Glucose, the normal glucose. Yeah, I'm going to show you. I think I will leave the picture. So this is their cage. I have this iron. This is the iron feeder I was talking about. So this is the turkey. I got it. Probably by Thursday, I'm going to get 2 more, and that 2 will be female. And what I gave them yesterday was antibiotics. I mixed antibiotics with their water yesterday. I didn't give them glucose. I just gave them antibiotics, and that will go on for like 5 days. Okay, so it's just because of change of environment, so that they won't feel stressed, they won't feel strange, nothing will go wrong. So yeah, that is it. So guys, that is it basically for grooming chicken. Yeah, so if you want to start a small scale business, at least for December period, for festive period now, this is an option for you. You can take 50-50, or perhaps you can start with 51, like 1 crate of boilers, and make sure you feed them well. So that is how you can sell them well. Okay, so thank you for always supporting your girl. Yes, thank you for always supporting me. But please guys, do not skip any ads on this video. If there is ads already, please do not skip it. Watch my videos, and also remember to give my videos this. It will so help my channel. Like, yeah, subscribe to my channel, because we need to grow. We need to be full army. Yeah, we are still going there. Yes, and we need to be there. You have to help this girl. You have to help me. I am begging you. We have to be full army. Yes, we are on our way to 20,000 subscribers already, and I'm so glad you guys are supporting me. You guys are subscribing to my channel. That means a lot to me. But I need views also. I need you to I need you to watch my videos. I need you to engage in the comment section. I need you to, please comment, leave a comment. That is all. If you find this video interesting, hit the like button, and also click on the subscribe button below. Turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss any video I drop on this channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.